People want to hear music. Look at me, I got a DJ. Listen to me.
Breaking news, Beenie Man did it again. Beenie Man grab the mic from a selector and don't want the selector play the youths. You know, the chopper song named the Ray. Jaja Beenie. Anyway, all of that and more after this.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, if for the first time you are check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. Turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And people, don't forget, check me out on Instagram and on the book, Chaddy Murray TV. So people, Beenie Man do that something me last week. Zine, him do it at Boom Sundays, where popular selector Boom Boom and Aripe I do them thing. You know what I mean? Them a select and I do them thing. But them not play the type of song where Beenie Man want hear. Meaning, them a play the nowadays dancehall. I'm expressing at the previous video, so I don't like call it trap dancehall. So we just have to call it the nowadays dancehall. So, while Boom Boom and Aripe I select the nowadays dancehall song them, Beenie Man never like that. Beenie Man never like that, none at all. Beenie Man grabbed the mic, go on stage and said this.
The man them in there, only play them 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. And them a fuck up the music. But that's why you know still. The man them we are talk about, yo, me have a girl when
and just to be in Beenie Man's defense, that's not the full video. But because time is against us, I just play a snippet. To see the full video, please watch my previous YouTube video, or I go pin it in at the top of the screen or in the comment section. I can just pin it for to get a clearer understanding. Zine? But to how Beenie Man grab the mic and go on stage, him a move like him change him name from King of the Dancehall to Dancehall Police. Because Beenie Man look like say him just had police the whole of dancehall. Him are the man who say, yo, this for play and this not for play. Beenie Man who is you if you come talk about this not for play and that not for play in such a manner. Brother, that's not the correct way to go about things. Now people, Beenie Man do it again. It look like him never watch Chaddy Murray TV video when me a school him and them thing there. But you can go watch it to see if me a make sense. But Beenie Man do it again at Fantasy Wednesdays. And you know say Fantasy Wednesdays is kept by DJ RUXIE, aka CD Fantasy. Now CD Fantasy, they not do them thing. People, to be honest, the party kinda look scanty. So me don't know if most of the people them did gone at them yard or what. Or it's just from the angle where we get the video from, it look like the party scanty. But from the video that me see, the party look like it kind of scanty still. Zane, and RUXIE a play a artist, is a young artist. Me I go play him song me gonna hear. The artist's name is Tough Enough and the song is entitled Bangaphone. So the song I play good when Beenie Man went and took the mic from RUXIE and said this.
Pull. Yeah. And I'm a virgin. I just want them to know this thing. Everybody can dance, but not everybody a dancer. People want to hear music. Look at me, I got a DJ. Listen to me. Me coming son. For what I find. He's not a dancer. Just look at me. Me just come and say, hear some music. I mean, I hear all like music and dance and them a dance to. None of them are there. We there. Play for we, please. May I play here? God. Alignment. Then. Somebody tell me say alignment. Look how we talk truth, you know, but you like to like sometimes. Yeah, pray for weekend. Moses, every song I'm play yesterday, the artists them in here. Yeah, you might not know them, but them young. You see it? Yeah, so we have to give them that strength from now. You know what I'm talking about? You know me not play fuckery and then some of that. So every song I'm play, the artists them there. So you know I have to represent them in a real life. You see it? Pick up yourself, Moses.
Scam calls that most of us get every single day. This is a
Two things where Ruxie do, what me really appreciate. Zine, Ruxie listen to the legend because at the end of the day, you know, Beenie Man is the legend. Beenie Man is the self-proclaimed king of the dancehall. Beenie Man do it and done, and we can't grow under something them because the king do it. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, Beenie Man. So, Ruxie show Beenie Man that respect. Second thing, what me rate where Ruxie do. Ruxie does play back the artist tune. Ruxie does play back tough enough banger phone. And make Beenie Man know say, respect you because you're a legend. But here what? Now because you a legend, you can... Me nah go use that word there. You can instruct we where to play. It not work like so. Play the artist tune.
Dirty food and we chop with the banger phone with the laptop. Time is money. Me can't stop chop till the clock stop. When the cops start, anybody can't stop. I feel have couple million in my knapsack. Rich lifestyle. Up in at the top spot, no chop my yard. Ever have a one strap plus couple killer round the way I do contract. And I be a hot girl in my contact.
Maybe this song is not going to be a song where Beenie Man like. You see me? And me I talk the truth. And every song me like. But me not tell a lie. Me like that song ya. You see me? And me like that song ya. Yo, that song ya bad. And it's not every song I go resonate with you. So Beenie Man, you there the man them party. And you don't like the song we play. Brother, leave. Nobody now hold you down and say you need to stay right here. So why you feel like say you feel self-promote yourself from King of the Dancehall to Dancehall Police? Brother, you can't tell a man where to play at them party, brother. If a song don't resonate with you, if you don't like how them a juggle, leave, brother. Stop going like say a Dancehall Police. If you feel like say you want to tell the man them something and show the man them a vibe, link the man them one away dog. You can't link the man them in the middle of them set at grab mic from the man them and I say yo this play that play that play that. No Beenie Man, it doesn't work like that. And me not go tell no lies still. Zine, we are gonna be honest and me are gonna split justice. When I listen to the full clip when me get, because it's like a 2 minute and 36 second clip when me get. Ruxie them pull up the tune about 2 times. And that when the video start record. So probably when the video start record it don't get 5, 6, 10 times pull up already. Where we not see. But we see that something there 3 times pull up. Me I go play the pull up them right here so and show you what go on. So be fear, probably the song did I play a long time and I get a bag of pull up and Beenie Man tired of it. But then again, it just proved back my original point. If you're tired of it, bro, you leave. You're going like you're Dancehall Police, brother. And people, me don't know if Uno did I hear, but me did I listen keenly. When Ruxie get back the mic and say, Moses, every song I play, the artist them in here. Me hear Beenie Man reply and say, yeah, but me no business.
Moses, every song I play, you say the artist them in here. Yeah, you might not know them, but them young.
Hold on. When you did their Boom Sundays and you take the talkerphone from Boom Boom and start talk, you never say you want Boom Boom to play your tune because you there the party.
When you play the man, them will now come on no party now. And we were there, we will now play we.
So when some other artists there the party now, a Fantasy Wednesdays, you still go up and I come talk about say you know business if artists in a party. That means say the statement where you make a Boom Sundays is false. That means say you know why your song play because you are there. You see me? You just don't want them young artists to play or you just bad mind every young artist or every artist we are do it. And me know what the people them are going to say now. Chaddy, you can't draw the bad mind card because when the thing accomplish, the king accomplish, the self-proclaimed king that is, accomplish this and him accomplish that and him accomplish this. So if you accomplish so much something, no time for him just build and get one little one or two youth and start mentor them. Since you see dancehall is going down this deep of a ditch, grab two of the youth them and mentor them. Anyway, people, you don't know a thing already. This is my views on this whole topic. And for the people them where I say this a dancehall and I go and that the dancehall and I go nowhere and X, Y, and Z. Remember, I say Skilly Bang out there do it and I may go vlog about next. Zin? Because Skilly Bang tear down the whole of England. I feel some in a seat. Wanna stay tuned for the review there. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, comment in the comment section, and let me know about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget one way or any other way are the wrong way. Gone.